All right, here we go. Our Unit 6 test. So you should have this paper in front of you. It's the same exact thing as I have on my screen, but I kind of want to do some reading and see if I can help out a little bit. So you're going to have the definition here, and you're going to match it with just these. We have two sections. We're going to do section by section, okay? Couple things before I start. Some test-taking strategies. If we see a word like war, do you have anything that sounds or looks like war over here? That's going to help you with this answer maybe. Or let's say, what ends a war? What is an agreement? These are things like treaties. So do you have anything with like treaties over here that might help you answer these questions? It might help you eliminate a couple of these to make your answers easier. Got to do those kind of things to help you with all kinds of tests. So here we go. Don't you know? For show. We're just focused on this section right now. All right. Let's go with the pen here. So this is an amazing invention that was eventually added to ships for upstream travel. Gold Rush, steam engine, Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo, sectionalism issues as the nation expanded west, positive aspects moving west, internal improvements. We have a treaty, we have a war, and then we have negative aspects moving west. Can you eliminate any before you put it? This is an invention. This is a thing. 2, Gold Rush, religious tolerance, new opportunities for cheap land, escape economic depression, fertile land. Gold Rush, steam engine. This is a treaty. Are these sectionalism issues of the nation as we expand west? Are these positive things? Are these internal improvements? Are these the Webster-Ashburton Treaty, Mexican-American War? Are these negative things about moving west? So we're right here on this one. This includes roads, bridges, and canals, which funded through tariffs or taxes made travel quicker and easier. Is that the Gold Rush, steam engine, Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo, sectionalism issues as the nation extended west, positive aspects moving west? Are these internal improvements? Webster-Ashburton Treaty, Mexican-American War, and negative aspects moving west. Here we go. We're right here. Check. This was an agreement between Britain and the U.S. for the present-day northern tip of Maine. So hopefully you already have 4 crossed off. So an agreement between the U.S. and present-day Maine. So Gold Rush, steam engine, is this a Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo? Are these sectionalism issues? Are these problems? Are they issues? Positive aspects of moving west, internal improvements, Webster-Ashburton Treaty. Is this Mexican-American War? Negative aspects of moving west. Sorry, y'all, not my best work today. This ended the Mexican-American War. The U.S. gained current southern states and the Rio Grande as the Mexican border. Does that sound like the Gold Rush, the steam engine, Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo? Are these sectional issues as the nation moved west? Positive aspects moving west, internal improvements, Webster-Ashburton Treaty, Mexican-American War, negative aspects. I'm going to shrink this a little bit here. Go to a hundo so I can get it all on the screen. All right, we are right here. As territories applied for statehood, Congress debated if they would be admitted as free or slave states, which proved how divided the U.S. was at the time. Is this the Gold Rush, the steam engine, the treaty, sectionalism issues as the nation expanded west, positive aspects moving west, internal improvements, Webster-Ashburton Treaty, Mexican-American War, or negative aspects moving west? Here we go. Check, check. That's better. This event caused California's population to thrive or grow. It became greatly diverse. Just the Gold Rush, the steam engine, the treaty, the sectionalism issues, The positive aspects moving west, the internal improvements, the Webster-Ashburton Treaty, Mexican-American War, or negative aspects moving west. Check, 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 check 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Last one. Lack of clean water or food, long journeys, diseases, Indian attacks, expensive. Is that a gold rush? Steam engine? Is that a treaty? Are these sectionalism issues as the nation moved west? Are these positive things, positive aspects? Are these internal improvements? Is this the Webster-Ashburton Treaty? Is this the Mexican-American War? Are these negative aspects of moving west? Finish that section up. I'm going to go down to the bottom. Here we go. Last section. Again, let's think about what we can remove. Texas annexation. Annex means we're adding things. We're purchasing things. We're adding things. Another treaty. This is the belief that the United States was destined by God, God's plan, to extend its boundaries to the Pacific Ocean. Is that a treaty? Mexican Cession, Transcontinental Railroad, Manifest Destiny, Barbed Wire, Texas Annexation, Mormon Trail, Prairie Fires, or the Gadsden Purchase? Check. These were caused by railroad sparks, which ruined native western vegetation. Sparks, ruining vegetation, ruining grass, ruining beautiful flowers. Is it Oregon Treaty, Mexican Cession, Transcontinental Railroad, Manifest Destiny, Barbed Wire, Texas Annexation, Mormon Trail, Prairie Fires, or Gadsden Purchase? Check, check. This was a railroad line connecting the eastern and western sections of the United States. Anything over here say railroad? Oregon Treaty, Mexican Cession, Transcontinental Railroad, Manifest Destiny, Barbed Wire, Texas Annexation, Mormon Trail, Prairie Fires, Gadsden Purchase. Check, check, check. This area of land was purchased from Mexico in order to run a railway under the Rocky Mountains to California. Oregon Treaty, Mexican Cession, Transcontinental Railroad, Manifest Destiny, Barbed Wire, Texas Annexation, Mormon Trail, Prairie Fires, Gadsden Purchase. I see some like words there. This includes present-day California, New Mexico, Arizona, Nevada, and Utah. Oregon Treaty, Mexican Cession, Transcontinental Railroad, Manifest Destiny, Barbed Wire, Texas Annexation, Mormon Trail, Prairie Fires, Gadsden Purchase. Check. This was an invention to keep crops and livestock safe in the West, as well as defining the property lines. Is that a treaty? Is that a Mexican Cession? Is that a railroad? Is that Manifest Destiny? Is that Barbed Wire, Texas Annexation, Mormon Trail, Prairie Fire, Gadsden Purchase? Check, check. The United States took control over this territory. This territory was added as a large or giant slave state. Oregon, Mexican Cession. Is that a railroad? Is that Manifest Destiny? Is that Barbed Wire? Is that Texas Annexation, Mormon Trail, Prairie Fires, or the Gadsden Purchase? This is a migration of Americans who moved to the state of Utah in order to escape religious persecution. Oregon Treaty, Mexican Cession, Transcontinental Railroad, Manifest Destiny, Barbed Wire, Texas Annexation, Mormon Trail, Prairie Fires, Gadsden Purchase. Check, check. This was an agreement between Britain and the U.S. for the Oregon Territory. Agreement over Oregon. Is it the Oregon Treaty, Mexican Cession, Transcontinental Railroad, Manifest Destiny, Barbed Wire, Texas, Mormon Trail, Prairie Fires, Gadsden Purchase? We, and hopefully you, are done. Any questions? Holla at your boy. Hope you did well. Love you, love you.